Let's do this. Hey everyone, don't forget to check out the free report in the description for a secret to losing weight quickly and naturally. Are you ready to kickstart your weight loss journey from the comfort of your own home? No fancy equipment, no expensive gym memberships, just you, your determination, and these killer exercises. Today we're going to show you the top 5 exercises you can do at home to shed those extra pounds fast. These exercises are designed to maximize calorie burn, boost your metabolism, and sculpt your body from head to toe. So what are you waiting for? Let's jump right in. Let's kick things off with the classic jumping jacks. This exercise is a staple in many fitness routines for a reason. This simple yet effective exercise is a fantastic way to get your heart rate up and those calories burning. It's a great way to warm up your body and prepare for more intense workouts. Remember those fun times in gym class? Well, guess what? They're back. Jumping jacks are not just for kids, they are a powerful cardio move for adults too. Stand with your feet together, arms by your side. This is your starting position. Now, jump your feet apart while simultaneously raising your arms overhead. Make sure to keep your movements controlled and smooth. That's 1 rep. Easy, right? But don't be fooled by its simplicity. Jumping jacks are a full body workout that engages multiple muscle groups, including your legs, core, and shoulders. Each jump works to strengthen and tone these areas. This dynamic movement gets your blood pumping, improves your cardiovascular health, and torches calories like no other. It's an excellent way to boost your metabolism. Remember to maintain a steady pace and focus on proper form. Consistency in your movements will help you avoid injury and maximize benefits. Keep your core engaged, back straight, and land softly on your feet to avoid any strain. Proper form is crucial to prevent injuries and ensure you're getting the most out of your workout. As you get comfortable, you can increase the intensity by jumping higher, clapping your hands overhead, or even adding a little twist to target your obliques. Feel the burn. Remember, consistency is key. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Aim for 3 sets of 20 to 30 reps. This will ensure you're getting a good amount of exercise without overdoing it. Or challenge yourself with a minute of non-stop jumping jacks. You got this. Pushing your limits will help you build endurance and strength. Now let's move on to the next exercise and take your workout to the next level. Stay tuned for more exciting and effective moves to keep your heart racing and your body in top shape. Get ready to feel the burn with burpees, the ultimate full-body exercise that combines strength training and cardio for maximum fat burning. This exercise is not just about burning calories, it's about building endurance, strength, and agility all at once. This powerhouse move will work every muscle in your body while sending your metabolism into overdrive. From your legs to your core and even your upper body, every part of you will be engaged and working hard. Start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. This stance is crucial as it provides a stable base for the explosive movements that follow. Now, lower into a squat position and place your hands on the floor in front of you. Make sure your knees are aligned with your toes to avoid any strain on your joints. Kick your feet back into a high plank position, engaging your core and maintaining a straight line from head to toe. This position is essential for building core strength and stability. Next, perform a push-up, lowering your chest towards the floor while keeping your core engaged. This part of the burpee targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps, adding an upper body workout to the mix. Push back up to the plank position and quickly jump your feet back to your hands, returning to the squat position. This movement requires coordination and agility, making it a great way to improve your overall athleticism. Finally, explode upwards in a powerful jump, reaching your arms overhead. That's 1 rep. This explosive movement not only burns calories but also improves your vertical jump and overall power. Burpees are challenging, but the results are worth it. They push your body to its limits, helping you achieve new fitness milestones. They work your legs, glutes, core, chest, shoulders, and triceps, making them a highly effective exercise for building strength and burning calories. Each rep is a full body workout in itself. Start with 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps, and gradually increase the number of reps or sets as you get stronger. Consistency is key, so make sure to incorporate burpees into your regular workout routine. Remember to focus on proper form and take breaks when needed. Proper form ensures you get the most out of each rep while minimizing the risk of injury. Ready to feel the afterburn? Let's move on to the next exercise. Keep pushing yourself and stay committed to your fitness journey. The results will speak for themselves. Chapter 3. Mountain Climbers. Engage your core and torch those calories. Get ready to climb your way to a stronger core and a leaner physique with mountain climbers. This dynamic exercise not only targets your abs but also gets your heart rate up, making it a fantastic calorie burner. Start in a high plank position with your hands shoulder width apart and your body forming a straight line from head to toe. Engage your core and keep your back flat. Now, bring one knee towards your chest, keeping your core engaged and hips level. Quickly alternate legs, as if you're running in place in a plank position. Maintain a steady pace and focus on engaging your core throughout the exercise. Imagine pulling your belly button towards your spine to activate those deep abdominal muscles. Mountain climbers are a great way to strengthen your core, improve stability, and boost your metabolism. They also work your shoulders, chest, and legs, making them a truly effective full-body exercise. Aim for 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds, or challenge yourself with a minute of non-stop mountain climbers. Now let's move on to the next exercise and target those leg muscles. Chapter 4. Squat jumps. Sculpt your lower body and ignite your metabolism. Get ready to sculpt those legs and glutes with squat jumps, a powerful exercise that combines the benefits of squats with explosive jumps to maximize calorie burn and build lower body strength. Start by standing with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Lower into a squat position, keeping your back straight, core engaged, and chest lifted. From the squat position, explode upwards in a powerful jump, reaching your arms overhead. Land softly on your feet, absorbing the impact through your knees and hips. Squat jumps are a fantastic exercise for building lower body strength, power, and endurance. They target your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, while also getting your heart rate up and burning calories. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, or challenge yourself with a minute of non-stop squat jumps. Now let's move on to our final exercise and work on that core strength. Chapter 5. Plank. Unleash your inner strength with this core strengthening powerhouse. Get ready to unleash your inner strength with the plank, a deceptively simple yet incredibly effective exercise that targets your entire core, improving stability, posture, and overall strength. The plank is more than just a static hold, it's a dynamic exercise that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Start by getting into a push-up position with your forearms on the floor, elbows aligned below your shoulders, and hands clasped together. This foundational setup is crucial for ensuring that you engage the right muscles and avoid unnecessary strain. Extend your legs behind you, resting on your toes. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels, creating a solid base. Engage your core, tuck your pelvis in slightly, and maintain a straight line from head to heels. This alignment is key to maximizing the benefits of the plank and preventing lower back pain. Imagine your body as a strong, sturdy plank of wood. This mental visualization can help you maintain the correct form and stay focused. Hold this position for as long as you can while maintaining proper form. It's not about how long you can hold it, but how well you can maintain the position. Don't let your hips sag or your back arch. Keeping your body in a straight line ensures that you're engaging your core muscles effectively. Planks are a fantastic exercise for strengthening your core muscles, including your abs, obliques, and lower back. These muscles are essential for everyday movements and overall stability. A strong core is essential for maintaining good posture, preventing injuries, and improving overall athletic performance. Whether you're an athlete or just looking to improve your fitness, a strong core is the foundation of a healthy body. Aim for 3 sets of 30 to 60 second holds, or challenge yourself to hold a plank for as long as you can while maintaining proper form. Remember, consistency is key. As you progress, you can increase the duration, target, confidence, and challenge your muscles. Incorporate these exercises into your workout routine regularly and watch as your body transforms. Over time, you'll notice improved strength, better posture, and enhanced overall fitness. The plank is a versatile exercise that can be done anywhere, making it a perfect addition to any fitness regimen. Outrow, you did it! Now keep going! Congratulations on completing this challenging workout. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to achieving your weight loss goals. Make these exercises a regular part of your routine, and you'll start seeing amazing results. Don't be afraid to challenge yourself and gradually increase the intensity or duration of your workouts as you get stronger. Listen to your body, take breaks when needed, and most importantly, have fun. Don't forget to check out the free report in the description for a secret to losing weight quickly and naturally. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and workouts.